Riders have always known about the danger, and still they race.
We like win and we try to win. Of course, everybody wants to win, so everybody thinks the same.
But Giacomo Agostini wasn't like everybody else. He's the greatest racer ever, winning more championships than any rider in history.
I win 15 world champion, 18 Italian champion, 311 race, and 123 Grand Prix.
Agostini raced from 1964 until 1977, a time when racing could be especially deadly.
His era was so dangerous. 40 years ago, the odds are you can possibly die.
People did die, but the races went on.
It's like when some rider died, we stop maybe 20 minutes and after we start again.
10 of Agostini's wins were at the Isle of Man, the deadliest race ever. Run on narrow public roads, it's claimed more than 230 lives.
At our time, we have allowed to crash many times because it's so easy to have a very bad accident. We have a small helmet, the leather is very thin and no protection.
The protection that was available to the gentleman racers of the 60s would have been a leather covering of trousers and a jacket with a helmet, with minimal protection.
Today is better because the people don't like to see the bad accident and the people die.